Welcome to our English lesson. Today we'll practice listening and speaking skills with an exciting story. In the misty town of Willowshade, a mother's nightly lantern ritual becomes the spark that leads to a miraculous reunion with her long-lost daughter after 10 years. It's a tale of hope, love, and destiny. Listen carefully and let's begin. In the small mist-shrouded town of Willowshade, a mother named Evelyn lit a lantern every night and placed it by her window. This ritual was her silent prayer, a beacon for her daughter, Lila, who had gone missing 10 years ago during a town festival. Lila was only 6 when she disappeared. One moment she was twirling in her colourful dress, laughing as fireworks lit up the sky. The next, she was gone, swallowed by the crowd and the night. Despite years of searching, Evelyn and her husband James found no trace of her. The once bustling household fell into silence, with Evelyn holding on to the faint hope that her daughter was alive somewhere. One autumn evening, a traveller arrived in Willowshade. She was a young woman, quiet but carrying an air of mystery. Her deep green eyes sparkled with intelligence, yet there was a shadow of sorrow in them. She went by the name Clara. Evelyn's heart ached when she first saw Clara. There was something familiar about her, the curve of her smile, the way she tucked a strand of hair behind her ear. Driven by an unexplainable instinct, Evelyn invited Clara into her home. Over tea, Clara shared her story. She had been raised by a group of wanderers after being found alone and crying near a river when she was a child. She remembered little of her past, only fragments of laughter, fireworks, and a melody that her mother used to hum. When Clara hummed the tune, Evelyn's hands trembled. It was the lullaby she had sung to Lila every night. The truth began to unravel. Clara was Lila, taken that fateful night by someone who had abandoned her far away. The wanderers who found her gave her a new name and a new life. But Clara had always felt a pull to find her origins, a yearning she couldn't explain. As tears flowed, Evelyn and Clara embraced. The years of pain melted into a moment of pure joy. James returned home to find his wife and the daughter he thought was lost forever, reunited. From that day on, the lantern at the window no longer burned out of longing, but as a symbol of hope and gratitude. Willowshade buzzed with the tale of the lost daughter who found her way home, reminding everyone that no matter how far one strays, love and destiny have a way of guiding them back. Vocabulary highlights. Let's explore some of the key phrases and words from today's story. Shrouded meaning, covered or concealed, often in a mysterious or unclear way. Example, the valley was shrouded in mist, hiding its beauty from view. Ritual, meaning, a series of actions performed regularly, often with symbolic meaning. Example, Evelyn's nightly ritual of lighting the lantern was her way of keeping hope alive. Twirling meaning, spinning around quickly, often in joy or excitement. Example, the little girl was twirling in her new dress, her laughter echoing through the park. Fragments, meaning, small parts or pieces of something. Example, Clara could only recall fragments of her past like scattered pieces of a puzzle. Trembled, meaning, shook slightly, often due to emotion or fear. Example, Evelyn's hands trembled as she realized the melody was the same lullaby she used to sing. Amazing effort. Remember, every lesson takes you a step closer to fluency in English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enjoyable English lessons. Happy be learning and see you soon.